Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. We have our Zoom at 10 o'clock today where I'm going to explain this again. But if you want to get a head start on it, I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing today. It's essentially what we do every Tuesday during Writer's Workshop. We're going to take what we wrote yesterday and turn it into a rough draft. So the directions say, use your list from yesterday to begin a rough draft of your response to the question, if you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would you choose? Be sure to include a title, an introduction sentence, which we already wrote yesterday, your 3 to 5 reasons why you chose that food, and transition words. After each reason, be sure to give a detail about the reason. Some of you did not do that last Writer's Workshop. You just listed your reasons. First this, then this, last this, and then you said a conclusion sentence. You need to give a detail sentence after each reason. Please focus on that this week because some of you who don't do that are losing a lot of points for Writer's Workshop, and the fourth quarter of the year is not the time to start slacking. So that being said, it says, please start your rough draft on the same Google Doc that you shared with me yesterday. So you should have that Google document fresh and ready to go from yesterday. So here's mine that I started yesterday. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, center it, underline it, and write my title. One food for life. Obviously, you guys can make your own title. Okay, I'm no longer underlining it. I'm going to tab. Just press tab once to indent, and you're going to start with your intro sentence that you've already written. So you're just going to copy it down. If I could only choose one food to eat for the rest of my life, I would choose grilled marinated chicken. Then you're going to start with your first reason. You're going to use a transition word. The first reason why I would choose grilled marinated chicken is because it is healthy. Then you give a detail sentence after this. Don't just go on to your next one. You need to give a detail. It could keep me from getting sick and becoming overweight. Okay, so there's my detail about how it's healthy. Then we're going to go on to our next sentence. The next reason why I chose grilled marinated chicken is because, and now we say our second reason, it is marinated in mojo sauce, which I never get sick of because it's so delicious. You know what? I'm even going to put an exclamation point. Now I need to give a detail about that. The mojo sauce makes the chicken taste salty and sweet at the same time. So there's my detail. Now, the last reason, again, transition word. The last reason why I would choose grilled marinated chicken is because it is packed with protein, so it will keep me strong. I always want to have strong muscles. Boom. Now we're done with each reason followed by a detail. Now the last thing you have to do is write your conclusion sentence. These are And then don't forget to reshare it with me so that I know you finished. And look back for edits because tomorrow we're going to be editing. Take your time, please, and proof check.